So hello everyone. So now I'm going to show you how you can image trace or make an easy vector art by just doing some by using a brush or and a pen tool. So first of all you need to create your own brush. So you can do it by simply using an ellipse tool and just whatever you would like the size you can choose it, and then uh, you can set your default color to black just for a reference. Then you can go to the brush panel and then you have to just drag and drop. So it has been added to your brush library, but you have to keep in mind that you need not select the scatter brush because it would it would not be a preferable choice. Just select the art brush and click it on OK, and in the you can select the fidelity and all. The width it should be fixed, and then in the method you just select the tint because I prefer it. You can choose whichever you want. So next thing you have to do is click OK. So it should be added in your brush panel and you can select it. Then click on just brush and you see brush has been created. Yeah, so I'll just show you how you can do a quick vector art by just doing this simple like using a brush. Okay, so I have kept this log because and I have created a new layer so that you did not mix up with it. You can name this layer as line work, which is suitable, and you can decrease the opacity. You just need to select it and decrease its opacity. Yeah, and then you can lock it, and just we need to go to the line work. Now just select the brush and you can just test it. Yeah, I think it's okay, but you can also decrease the size whichever size you prefer. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I want my brush to be 0.75. So yeah, let's get started. So this way you can slowly just trace the art. See how it is drawing it professionally, like you are doing it on a graphic tablet. Yeah, you can just trace it. Yeah, so okay, for these minor details you can just decrease your stroke size so that it can be visible. Once you get a hang of it, it will be easy. And the first take, you would find it like you are doing it many more undos. But I have done it many times, so I have a proper control over my mouse. So yeah. But if you're facing any problem with that, you can just click on this, and here is the fidelity. So you can just make it smooth. So I'm just doing like this. See how gracefully it has done my work. Yeah, get it and just delete it. So yeah, in just not more than 15 minutes or 10 minutes you can do it. In the next class I will teach you how to add colors.